Archana, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Zara haul for you guys and this is my very first video of 2023. So here's wishing you guys Happy New Year. I hope you have a great year ahead, and that being said, let's just jump right into the video. If you guys have been around for a while, you would know that I promised myself that I wouldn't really spend my money and I wouldn't shop as much as I used to, and I'm very happy that I did that throughout 2022. I think I shopped only during sales, and the last haul that is on my channel was during their June-July sale, and now I think they had their Christmas and New Year's sale. So I think I did go a little crazy because the last 6 months I've been just eyeing these clothes. It has honestly taken a lot of self-control to not like add things to my cart and order them. Now that I've told you all of that, let's just jump right into the video. Now, oh my god, this time I don't know, I think it was a disappointment. Everything that I got, most of the things that I got, I think I got a lot of things, and I literally have pile of things that I just wore them and I was like, oh my god, what's up with these clothes? I think I'll make a shorts wherein I'll show you guys the things that I'd be returning. So for the things that I did like and I think I'm gonna keep, I thought of sitting down and showing you guys everything. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing that I have, I think I just have a lot of tops because oh my god, and I'm telling you guys, I loved all the tops that they had on Zara website or the Zara app this time. Like the collection that they had was amazing. So the very first thing that I got is this denim crop top. It also comes with like leggings. I did not buy those because I just think that it wouldn't really flatter my body type, but oh my god, if you have like a rectangular body type, go for it. It would look so nice, and you can add like a really cool jacket and just, yeah, it would be a vibe, that outfit. But I did not get the leggings. I just got this thing and it's so nice. I love it. I am in the size medium. I could have gotten a small and that would have worked for me, but this is just as good. Like, I really like the fitting of this. It's comfortable, and obviously, I mean, I don't think so you can wear a bra because it would show. So the best thing that you can do here is go in with nipple tapes. And yeah, I really like the support that this gives as well. It's really nice. I love it. I actually styled this as well on my recent shots. So yeah, please watch my shorts as well. The next top that I got is the top that I'm wearing right now. Is this beautiful tulle top. I really like it. I think the way I would like to style this is by wearing like a pink crop top underneath and then wear this on top. I'm just wearing this bralette that I have from H&M. I think H&M does like amazing basic bralettes, so if you want, you can, you know, get those and yeah, wear this. I think this would also look really nice if you work out and you know you don't really like wearing t-shirts. This is such a nice cover up. I think you can wear like your sports bra and on top of it this would be so cool. So I got this, and I got it in one more color. I got it in yellow. I really like both of them. I really like this trend, like the tulle tops and tulle you know, skirts and dresses and everything. I think it's really nice. I forgot to tell you my size in this. I'm wearing small, but you can get medium as well if you don't want it to be this tight, but I really wanted it to be like properly skin hugging and skin fitting, so I got it in the size small. Okay, next top that I actually have a crop top, and yeah, I think I was actually eyeing for a really long time, but काफी expensive था जब sale पे नहीं था, so I thought I'll just wait. And when this was on sale, मेरा size available नहीं था, but I still got it. I got it in the size large. I should have gotten it in medium, but फिर I thought that, you know, I'll alter it or tailor it somehow and make it work for myself. मतलब ऐसे भी it does look good, but I do need to, you know, tighten it a little bit, which I will do. But I love this top. The reason why I got it is to wear it underneath, to wear it with a sari. I think it would look really nice as a blouse. That is why I got it, because you know, ready-made blouses be around same prices के आते हैं, like, you know, the fancy ready-made blouses. So I thought, why not just get this one and, you know, have a top as well, and 2-in-1 हो जाएगा. So yeah. So the next top that I have is a very everyday basic top. This is what it looks like, and it's really nice. I like it. I mean, you know, just to throw something on when you're not feeling like dressing up, and I think these crisscross detailing just adds a little something to the top, so I really love it. I think it's beautiful, and I think I'm in the size small. This fits me really nicely. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. It's just a basic top, guys. Okay, the next top that I have for you guys is this tie-up top. Again, I think this is something that I wanted to get last time. ये तो बहुत पुराना है. Like, I don't think so this is from the new collection, but शायद पता नहीं वापस ऐड किया होगा वो लोग ने, but this is something that I saw during the spring and summer collection, and this is what it looks like. It's a tie-up top. I wore it with like a, again, bralette inside, but you can wear it just as is, and yeah, you'll have to however wear like nipple tapes or something like that. And the size medium, should have gotten small, but theek hai, like I don't mind it, it's really nice. So the next top that I got, again an everyday top, but you have to look at how I received this top. Sara kuch ganda hai yahan pe, and I don't know, this is what it looks like, you know, when you pick things from Zara sale apparently. So yeah, I don't know, but I really like it, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to wash it off, and yeah, it should be good to go, क्योंकि कुछ बाकी कुछ तो है नहीं, but बस थोड़ा सा गंदा है, तो मैला है actually, so I just have to wash it. And they have given the corset detail, like, you know, stitching में, तो ऐसे it looks like it's like a corset inspired top, but it's just like a normal regular top with that stitching on it. I actually really like this fabric, the fabric that comes in the Limitless collection. I think it's very, very nice, very skin hugging, and just like flatters my body type really well, I feel. Okay, then again I have a tie-up top. Ye na, when I wore it I did not really like it, so I thought that I'll put it in the pile that I'm going to return. But I wore it abhi for the try-on clips, and I don't know, I just really liked it, so now I'm going to keep it. But yeah, this is also pretty interesting, I feel. It comes with this poplin bralette sort of a detail, wherein they have stitched it over this normal top. I think it looks really cool. You can just wear it with your normal, like, you know, denims or really nice pants, and I think it would look so cool. Next up I have this off the shoulder top, which I got from Zara, and it's thoda messed up right now, but you can see it in this try-on clip how it looks. It's very beautiful, really nice. I got it in the size medium, and it fits me so beautifully, guys. And I think off the shoulder with these stitched sleeves is just my vibe these days. I love wearing such tops. It looks very chic. If you want like a very interesting and a modern take on your everyday tops, then you can definitely wear something like this and call it a day. I really like wearing this particular type of tops these days. I think I do have quite a few in my wardrobe, so yeah, that's really nice. I got this, again something that I have been eyeing for the longest time, and the moment that I saw it was on sale, I had to get it. It's this really beautiful pink bodysuit that I got from Zara. Oh my god, look at it, it's so beautiful. I got it in the size medium, and oh, I am in love. I am literally in love. It's the most beautiful, delicate top that I own, and as I said, I am in love with the whole tulle, you know, what do you say, trend that is going on. So yeah, I got a lot of pieces which has that trend going on. This is what it looks like. It's just beautiful, and it like really fits my body and flatters my body type really well, and also my skin tone I think looks really nice in pink. I don't know if I mentioned, but this time I had to pay 290 rupees for the delivery. Iske pehle I think free aata tha, like free delivery hota tha, but this time it was 290 rupees, which is I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, okay, so next up I got this top. ये भी टॉप यार, ओ माई गॉड, मेरी काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी इस टॉप से, बट इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. इट्स लाइक, मतलब इट डजंट लुक दैट ग्रेट ऑन मी. एक्चुअली इट लुक्स ग्रेट, इट डजंट फिट राइट, आई वुड से. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट द टॉप लुक्स लाइक. अगेन इट्स द सेम like corset inspired with the whole you know, see-through thing that's going on. It's really nice. I think I should have gotten it in the size small. I should have gotten it in the size medium, but I got it in size small, so shayad I might exchange this. But again, it's a nice top. It's a little too deep, like the neck is a little too deep, and I don't really like it. They have given you know, adjustable straps, but even then I don't know, like it's like a normal top, तो जैसे ये top है वैसे, but on top of it they have stitched this bralette sort of a thing. तो ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है, और पीछे यहाँ पे there is this what do you say, elastic band bralette ka. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, did not really impress me, but let's see. I'm still contemplating whether or not I should keep it or return it. Anyway, the last, okay, no, oh my god, again, oh, I love the, as I said, I'm in love with the whole, you know, off the shoulder thing. So I got this, and I fell in love. I was like, oh my god, I tried it on, and I was like, I feel like a, you know, modern day princess. It's so beautiful. It has these organza sleeves and it's just again so pretty and so delicate, something that you can wear on date night if you're going out for dinner. Imagine wearing this with like white skirt, like white satin skirt, or if you just want to dress it down, you can wear it with like jeans or something like that. It's so beautiful. But yeah, like such a beautiful top. I love it. I'm in the size small and it fits me beautifully. Okay, the last thing that I have is a beautiful dress, and honestly I feel this has to be the star of the haul. I absolutely love this dress, and given that it was on sale, it should have been cheaper, but I mean, I paid 2000 rupees and I think it's worth every rupee that I paid. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. It's this dress, it's in black color, and oh my god, it has the leather finish. It's not really leather, but it just has that leather finish, and I think it looks so beautiful. It's backless almost, like it has just this string which you have to tie, and yeah, it's backless. It's so gorgeous. I got it in the size medium and I love it. I absolutely love this dress. I love how it flatters my body type. I just feel like this, you know, badass lady that I am, and yeah, feel extremely confident when I wore this. Okay, so those are all the things that I got from Zara this time. I will link whatever is available for you guys in the description bar below, but keep checking the app, क्योंकि क्या होता है when people return ना, वो वापस आ जाता है in stock. So whenever you like something, keep it in favorites or something like that, or in your cart. So yeah, that's just a little trick, or like something that I do, because I do know that people return things. So you never know, you might get lucky even if things are not like available when you're ordering them. So yeah, those are all the things that I got, and as I said, this time it was kinda a disappointment. I'm not really happy with every single thing that I got. Like usually I'm just like, oh my god, I love Zara, I love Zara. This time it was a little like humbling experience, but it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it insightful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.